everyone, welcome to my presentation on Introduction to Solvents. Today, we'll explore what solvents are, the different types, their properties, uses, and safety considerations. Let's get started. What is a solvent? A solvent is a liquid that can dissolve other substances, called solutes, without changing itself chemically. Solvents are important because they help in various processes, especially in industries where dissolving materials is crucial. Types of solvents. Solvents can be categorized into two main types, inorganic and organic. Inorganic solvents do not contain carbon. Examples include water, liquid anhydrous ammonia, and concentrated sulfuric acid. Organic solvents contain carbon and oxygen. Examples are alcohols like ethanol, glycol ethase, hydrocarbon solvents like benzene, and halogenated solvents like chloroform. Uses of solvents. Solvents are used in many applications. In paints and coatings, they dissolve the ingredients to help them spread smoothly. In cleaning products, they dissolve dirt and grease. In industrial processes, solvents are crucial for making pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and electronics. Properties of solvents. Let's look at some properties of solvents. Volatility and vapor pressure indicate how easily a solvent can turn into vapor. High vapor pressure means the solvent is very volatile. Vapor density tells us if the vapor will rise or stay close to the ground compared to air, which is important for understanding inhalation risks. Relative density, or specific gravity, compares the solvent's density to water. It helps us know if the solvent will float or sink in water. Boiling point is the temperature at which the solvent turns from liquid to gas. Melting point is when it turns from solid to liquid, and freezing point is when it turns from liquid to solid. Flash point is the lowest temperature at which the solvent's vapors can ignite. Flammability limits are the range of vapor concentrations in the air that can catch fire or explode. Auto-ignition temperature is the minimum temperature at which the solvent can ignite without a flame. Decomposition temperature is when the solvent breaks down chemically. Conductivity tells us if a solvent can conduct electricity. Polar solvents, like water, are conductive, while nonpolar solvents, like hexane, are not. Reactivity measures how likely a solvent is to undergo chemical reactions. This is important for safety and compatibility with other substances. Safety considerations. Solvents can be hazardous if they react uncontrollably, leading to explosions, fires, or toxic releases. Understanding their properties and handling them properly is essential to prevent accidents and ensure safety in industrial processes. Here are some instructions. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PP. Always use safety goggles, gloves, lab coats, and, if necessary, respirators to protect yourself from solvent exposure. Ensure proper ventilation, work in well-ventilated areas, or use fume hoods to prevent inhalation of solvent vapors. Read the Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS, before using any solvent. Familiarize yourself with its properties, hazards, and handling instructions. Avoid direct contact. Use tools such as pipettes and dispensers to handle solvents, minimizing direct contact with your skin. Handle spills immediately. In case of a spill, use absorbent materials to contain and clean it up promptly. Dispose of cleanup materials according to local regulations. Be trained and prepared. Ensure all personnel are trained in solvent safety and emergency procedures. Know the locations of safety showers, eye wash stations, and first aid kits, and regularly participate in safety drills. Store solvents correctly. Keep solvents in tightly sealed containers. away from heat sources, and store flammable solvents in approved safety cabinets. Label all containers. Clearly label all solvent containers with their contents and hazard warnings to avoid accidental misuse. Prevent fires. Keep solvents away from open flames, sparks, and heat sources. Use non-sparking tools and store flammable solvents safely. Dispose of solvents properly. Follow local regulations for hazardous waste disposal and never pour solvents down the drain or throw them in the trash. Conclusion. To sum up, solvents are versatile and widely used because they can dissolve various substances. Knowing their properties and how to handle them safely is crucial for effective and safe use in different industries. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny Yes Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.